Hi everybody, this is Donna Pescarella from Vince's Gourmet. Today I'm going to do another Easter recipe. This is going to be Easter pie. Lots of different names for it. Here at Vince's we sell, and you can call in and order one, a savory pie with provolone and prosciutto and eggs, and they're going to be taking orders from now until next week, and just call the store and place your order for one. I'm going to make the same pie, different version, but the same idea, Easter pie. So traditionally in my family it was yeast bread and all of that. I'm not about that today. I'm taking, and I would say that this is a nice version, a little bit easier. If you want to do the yeast bread, go ahead. I took pizza dough that we sell here at Vince's, and I rolled it out, and I'm just making smaller pies. So I put the dough in here, and I'm going to form it real thin on the bottom. And then I'm going to make the filling. So for the filling for this Easter pie, some people call it pizza rustica, lots of different names. Every family has their own version. Calls for a lot of eggs, as you can see. All right, so this was a dozen eggs for this recipe. And I'm going to whip them up real well. And you can use, again, in my family it was always basket cheese. I'm not using basket cheese, although Vince's sells it. I didn't feel like it. I'm using fresh mozzarella. And I'm going to cut it so all the ingredients are going right in. And I'm just gonna cube it. So fresh mozzarella, it's about a half a pound. This is Telaggio. It's a great cheese. It's got the Italian cheese. It's got the consistency of brie, and you're just gonna break that up in there. So I'm just gonna show you. Again, about a half a pound. Now for another cheese, and you're gonna just keep whisking that all together. I'm using Soprafina ricotta cheese. I've got about 3 cups. Again, I'm gonna whisk that all together. Okay, so I mixed all those ingredients. I'm not adding any salt. I'm just gonna add some fresh ground pepper. And then the meat. In this bowl, so I have diced, and I had the deli grind me some, just for different texture. You can do one or the other. Doesn't really matter, whatever your preference is. I have Genoa salami. I have some pepperoni, I have prosciutto, pancetta, lots of different. I have a little cabagal, some spicy in there, and I'm gonna put in about half, which is about 2.5 to 3 cups. And again, you can use, we have all these deli meats here at Vince's, you can use whatever you like. And you just mix that really well. Okay? It's kind of like a quiche. So I'm taking a little oil, what I did for this dough, and I'm just brushing just lightly. And then a little semolina just to hit the bottom. And then I put the bread dough in. Okay? Then I'm going to pour the mixture in. This is gonna cook at 350. You've got to cook it low in the beginning. Unless you're doing if you're doing it in a deep pan like this, because you want the inside to be cooked. I would start it off covered with aluminum foil and then uncover it. It's gonna take about an hour. Now you can, I might as well finish this up. You can you don't have to put a top on it, but you can take some extra pizza dough and make it all fancy. Or you can do a lattice top, or you can do a bunny like I did over here. Don't judge the bunny. So here's one I baked earlier today. And you can see I did slice it. And then a lot of times, if it's hot out of the oven, serve it right like that as an appetizer, or you could also take it and grill it in a saute pan with a little oil, kind of brown it on both sides. So that's my version of Easter pie, and don't forget you can order them here at Vince's. They're a little different, but Sam Mondello, the owner, his family recipe. And don't forget to sign up for our newsletter or on vincesgourmet.com, or email Donna at vincesgourmet.com if you would like the recipe for this or any other Easter dishes I did this week and am enjoying. Yes, there are more recipes coming out every day this week, actually. So everybody have a great day.